Hi everyone, it's your girl Lavender Storm. It's so wonderful to be with you today. Today is December 15th, 2022, and we are again opening up our Christmas advent calendar from Sugoi Mart by Japan Crate. I hope you're excited. Of course, I'm excited. I'll get to see you soon. Bye! Alright guys, so we are going to recap. So 1, Thunder Bars. 2, our little Pokemon thing I can't get out. 3 are Kirby Planetarium. 4 are Starbucks Matcha Latte. 5 are Sushi little guys. 6 are Bunny squishies. Bunny. 7 chocolate. 8 of course is our mask, our pure smell mask. And then 9 is also the curry. And then 10 is our little miniature wagon. 11 is our marshmallows. Alright. 12 is our cheesecake cats. Alright. 13 is our food plate. Alright. And 14 is our cookies. 14. Alright. Let's see now. So we're going to go to 15. Oops. Oh, and more. Oh, miniature cute stuff. Oh, these are so cool. Very cool. Yay. So cute little miniature tea and sushi. A little guy here. And more sushi and tea. Very cute. Yay! Alright guys. 15.